your name?
My name is Abu Manan, and you?
My name is Khairul Fadli. Where do you come from?
I come from Waikanan Lampung, and you?
I come from Palembang City. How old are you?
I am 18 years old, and you?
I am 20 years old. What month is today?
Today is the month of October. What do you wish?
Because in this month I am studying at campus.
Where do you study?
I study in Institute Islamic Radikal Lampung. What is your major?
My major is Akuntan Syariah, and you?
My major is PBA. What is your faculty?
My faculty is Economic and Business, and you?
My faculty is Tarbiyah. What is your class?
My class is A, and you?
My class is D. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is
Ngerusak.
Education Indonesia,
Okay.
and you?
My subject is favorite subject, yes?
Yes.
Nahu and Soro.
Wow, it's amazing, brother.
Yes. How many times do you have studies in week?
I have 10 subjects
No.
in a week, and you?
I have 11